Hello everyone, welcome back to the class of reservoir simulation. And in today's lecture we talk about the properties section, props section, and we will see what are those and what we can do and what we can take information out of them. First of all, the first one is the equation of state. In this model, we are using the Peng-Robinson equation of state, but there are other equation of states also that you can use it. So let me show you some of them. So this equation of state here is only mentioned in the compositional modeling. It is not included in the black hole model. So this thing you will only see in the compositional modeling. And remember that what we have two very common equation of state. One of them is this Peng-Robinson. The other one is the SRK one. And these are the most common. This PR has the original one and the modified one. It has two. So here we are using the original and then we are using the modified PR correction. This is the equation of state. There are very new equation of state that are used for asphaltene and so on, but this is 2019. In 2020 definitely there are more equation of states that are used for many other reasons, for example condensates and for asphaltene, for wax, and so they have different equation of states developed for fun. Now this one is the reservoir temperature. If I ask you to change the reservoir temperature, you can use this one. But for now, right now, for example, I don't know what is this 160. What is the unit of this one? So let's check the unit of this one. How we can check it? I will go back to it and open the manuals, run them, and in the reference manual, I will check the RTEM keyword. So this is the RTEM keyword. So this talks about the equation of the reservoir temperature, constant reservoir temperature, and the units we are using the field unit. Okay, so in field unit the unit is degree centigrade. Okay, then so the unit here we are using is, so for example this is 160 centigrade. I want to change it to 140, so you can simply change it to 140, no problem. So if reservoir is 100 degree centigrade, you can change it to 100 degree. If reservoir is 80 degree, you can change it to 80 degree. Don't forget the slash, otherwise it will show you the error. Okay, these are then the standard conditions. Now the another question comes, okay, compositional model, how many components it has? So in this one it has C1, C3, C6, C10, C15 and C20. It has 6 components. Now this is the 6 component, but now I want to know how much mole percent C1 is, how much C3 is, how much C6 is, and how much C10 is, C15 is. For that we have to go down, and then we have a keyword called this one, ZMFPT. So here we have 6 components, so let's count them here. This is the first, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 components, so 0.5%, 50% is the C1, and we have 6 components here, C1. Then C3 we have here around 0.03%. Then 0.07% is C6 or C6. We have C6, C10, C15. So this here is the composition. Remember, if I ask you to reduce this 50% of C1, the summation of all of this has to be 1. For example, if I calculated the mole percent, so 0.5 plus 0.03 plus 0.07 plus 0.2 plus 0.15 plus 0.05. So you see 1. Now, for example, you want to reduce this CO2. Let's say you make it 0.4. Now, this 10% that you reduce, it has to be adjusted somewhere. Otherwise, it will show error. So this should be then 25 or any other. If not 25, originally 0. Yes. For example, this one, it is 25 originally. So now you can change it to other one. So let's count how much it is. If it is not 1, then it will show error, 0.4, 0.03, 0.07, 0.2, 0.25 plus 0.05. So now it is 1 in this case. So that's how these are the original initial saturation that we have described here. Okay, now, and if I ask you what components it has six components, six: C1, C3, C6, C10, C12, 15, and C12, C20. And here you see some components are mentioned in the run spec section. We didn't discuss this keyword previously because we wanted to reach to the property section. Now, for example, if component here you mention 6 in the and here you mention 5, it will show error. So make sure that this components here and this components here, they match. Here are 6, so it should be 6 here. Then we define it their critical properties of here, molecular weight, SN. So now from the property section, these are the the data, rock data. And for example, you want to know what is this rock data, rock tab. So we will go copy this one and check here. Rock tab. So this is the rock tab. So this is the rock compaction tables. Okay. The first one shows the pressure. At what pressure, how much rock is compressed. And so you can see that we go. So pressure, it is 1 1. So if the pressure is become 2000, the rock is bit compressed. Pressure become 3000, rock is more compressed. So this is the compressibility of rock. Here we have mentioned. Now then we have the water tab. So likewise you can check all these components. These are the relative permeability data. Oil pressure, relative permeability, and capillary pressure. 3 points we have here. We have 3 points: pressure, relative permeability, and capillary pressure. This is for oil, SO, so oil saturation. This is G, means gas saturation. And if you look ahead, this is SW, and for this one we are using, this is especially for water alternating gas injection, stone model. So if you search the stone model, you will get all the details regarding this one. So now if I ask you to go change this equation of state, this is the place you can change. If I ask you to change reservoir temperature, you can change it from here. If I ask you to put more components, here you can put the components. If I but these components, once you add them, you have to add their properties also, else the programming will show error. These 5 6. Okay, then this is the data, then this is the rock data, this is the initial saturation we are talking about here. Okay, this is saturation at 1000 psi, this is saturation at 10,000 psi. Okay, these are the surface density, which is 62.4, which is the accurate one. So that's all about this property section, and now we will talk about more other sections.